Hello everyone, Dell here. I just want to point out an ongoing project that has been going on in my kitchen for a while, and it involves these mirrors, and we've got two different kinds. These are more or less like the glass kind, and they use the peel-off stickers on the back, and then some of them have a full peel-off on there. So we got those two different kinds going, and the whole idea behind why we started this was we wanted to make the room seem bigger. So we've got these things on this side of the refrigerator on the wall, and we got them in the living room, and it seems to be working out, but this is my favorite spot right here. Behind when you're addressing the sink, you see that it's got the full effect on you. So we're pretty happy about that, and we had some problems. It wasn't smooth sailing, so we've got little assistants here to hold these up. That's in addition to the peel-off stickers, and in addition, the other ones with the full peel-off on the back seem to stay up better and stay up longer. And while we were at it, we put in this paper towel holder, shot some screws, shot some pilot screws. Some pilot holes up there. Get it straight though. Pilot holes, and then we shot some screws in it. It was easier doing it than it is for me to say it. So that's kind of nice as well. And we also have a light system here. I don't know if we could turn that on.
I don't know if it works very well.
Oh, it's not working? Okay, well, at any rate, when it was working, it lit up underneath here as well. And certain things like cups for coffee and tea and so forth are there. And then the scissors gets used a lot. And then we also have for cleaning those cups, we have a cleaner there. And the way it goes, it works like this. Yeah. And it shoots hot water through it. And sometimes it's a lot easier doing it that way. I would say a pretty good percentage of the time it's easier doing things that way. So there it is. If any of you ever think of something like this, it might be you might have to work it out for yourself. Maybe put in a bigger mirror, a one-piece kind of thing. But with us, some places it worked well, like right here. We peeled off, we affixed the stickers to the back with Velcro, and then we peeled off and then affixed it to the wall, and these things are still good. We tried the same thing right here, and I don't know, because of the humidity or whatever, both of them at different times have fallen off, so we're back up, and we got a little bit of assistance there to hold it in. We've also got a just put up, as long as we're at it, we put up a relative humidity on the bottom, and the temperature is on the top. We got the temperature in Fahrenheit, but you can also get it centigrade. Just pretty easy adjustment there. So, and that's a pretty convenient thing. Usually got towels, a towel hanging here or here, make it a little bit more convenient, but that's the idea behind it. Just in case you're trying to think about doing a project along these lines. It didn't go perfect, but it's sort of a trial and error. So any mistakes we made, you don't have to. One of these mirror type outfits they're kind of delicate in some ways. You got to treat them really gently at times. The peel off stuff is okay, and those peel off ones you can cut them too. Just take the scissors and cut them if you need to figure it in there. And it's still a work in progress. There's still some finishing touches, but this is the main thing. And so that's the effect of it. Okay, Dell signing off. Happy projects.